Hello, welcome to another episode of Money Hunt. Today, I would like to show you how you can earn $300 per day in free PayPal money using a new app. Yeah, this is true. But before that, this is Jash from Money Hunt. If you want to know more make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so today I would like to show you four new apps by which you can earn a very decent amount daily and which is really great and it's definitely free. So make sure you stay tuned with this channel and keep watching this video to the end. So let's move on to the first app that I'm going to show you today is called Instagc. Instagc.com. It's a great app by which you can earn a very decent amount of money every day in a form of gift cards, and they are pay you instantly when you reach their payout limit. So this is a survey related site and you can do much more things to you already do online to earn some points here. They are going to give you some points and they have something like completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web. All you do every day, and this is going to get you money. So this is a great way to earn money by doing the things you are already doing daily. So they are going to give you for each and every task, they are going to give you some points, and after collecting some points, you can convert them into reward gift cards. So if I go down below and see, they are operating from 2011. This is really great, and this is not going to go away. They are proven. They have lots of payment proof. If I go over to their Facebook page, and here you can see their logo, their website, and their posting of Instagc, and you scroll down there in the photo section here, you can see that they have a lots of payments proofs. Like here, people are getting paid from $50. This is max gift card, PayPal $50, $65, $50, and PayPal there is Amazon gift card and so on, Walmart gift card $200. They are getting paid. People are getting paid. These are the real payment proofs. You can verify that. So this site works really well, and from those four type of jobs I recommend is watching videos, because this is the easiest to perform better than other tasks online. So you just open it, watch some videos daily, and you can earn a decent amount of money daily. But to increase all of this money, I'm going to show you more 3 apps. But before that, if you have not liked this video, please do like this video and stay tuned, stay with me. So move on to the next app, which is AppKarma.io. AppKarma.io. This is also a great reward giving site that is completely free. You can earn rewards playing with some apps they're going to provide you, and it's free to earn money, and they're going to give you as well some points as a reward. And all you have to do is much like complete some offers and like installing some apps, playing it daily, or reaching some levels on those apps or games, and you're going to get points for that, and they're going to pay you through PayPal and all other gift cards as Instagc. So when you just register here, you are instantly going to get 300 points, which is really great. You can get 300 points just by installing their app and start earning money. If I calculate those 300 points, 100 points equal to $1. So definitely they are going to give you $3 for free just to get started with their AppKarma. So this is a really great heads up to start earning money using this way. They also have a referral rewards program which is very interesting, and those who have some social influences like YouTube, blogging, who does that, Instagram, and you can earn a very decent amount of money using by promoting their referral link, and they are going to give you 30% of every referral you promote. And if those users for like earn $100, you get $30 just by doing nothing. This is really awesome. And then they have a karma play that lets you earn daily. So they are talking about like simply keep the app that you are rewarded for, then play with it each day to earn extra bonus. So the thing is, they are going to give you some apps and games. You have to install it and keep it to your phone to get rewards daily. This is very cool. You have to log in daily, check out those apps, and you can also run those apps and play or work with them so that they can give you extra bonuses for that. And this is really awesome. They also have an achievement badges section, which is also a great way to increase your earning potential so that you can earn more money by doing the same work. So it works like when you reach some levels, they're going to give you some karma play badges, and those badges you can use those badges to get up to 12.5% bonus each time you complete an app offer. So if you are getting $100, then if you have reached some levels and use some achievement badges on that amount, you are going to get $112 or more for just doing the same work you have already done. So this is really great way to earn a decent amount, and this is a new app, and they are going to give you very good money for your work. So the third app that I'm going to reveal to you is Cashkick.com. Cashkick.com is also a reward giving site, but they are not going to give you points like AppKarma. They are going to give you direct money to your PayPal account. So those countries that supports PayPal are going to get accepted by Cashkick.com. They also have 4 categories as like Instagc, and they have surveys, they have great some deals to complete, they have watch videos section, and surf the way as it is. So among those 4 options, I suggest watching video because this is the easiest way as it is. You can just watch some videos daily and you're good to go with earning money from them. And they are really awesome. They are very instant to pay you when you are reached some levels and when you reached your payout threshold. So they are going very good. You can see people are reviewing this and they are really working great. So the fourth and the last app that I'm going to show you is Superpay app. This is superpay.me, which is another survey sites that like Instagc and Cashkick, and also they have a better opportunity for you to get lots of works because they have already paid $4 million to members, and this is really good. They are listed on Trustpilot, so they are a proven trusted site that going to give you money for what you do. They're never going to miss out paying you if you do it regularly and if you do it exactly. So make money online with free paid survey today. They are going to pay you within 24 hours when you ask for cash out, and you can work from anywhere, and they have free and paid survey offers that you can complete to earn decent amount of money. And obviously, when you click this join free today button and fill up the form and register, you will going to get 20 cent heads up just to register to superpay.me. So this is a really great site. They have already support PayPal, Tango, Amazon, Skrill, Bitcoin. This is really awesome. So you can get money using any of those options, and all you have to do is just join free and participate to their surveys and offers and get paid to your preferred payment options. And they are really working well, and as it is, they are also a very old site. They are working from 2012. This is really cool. It's like Instagc, and it's already proven in Trustpilot that they are paying. They are a working company that going to give you payment. If I go over to their payment proof section, they are really transparent about their payments. You can see regularly people are getting money from them. This is really awesome. The more you work, more money you can get daily, and all you have to do is just press the join free button, and this form will show up. Just fill up the basic info about your name, address, phone number, city, and your payment option as well, and accept their agreements and click create account, and you're good to go with this site. So these all four sites like Instagc, AppKarma, Cashkick, and Superpay, all are the four sites that if in combine you work daily, you just log in daily, spend some times, and you are good to go. You do anything daily and you are making money from them. So this is the method, this is it. But always be active, money will follow you. Till then, if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe below. See you later, and thanks for watching.